It is that time of the year again. Black Friday is back, and if you're an XR developer, this is your chance to grab some of the best tools at their best prices. That's right, the Unity Asset Store Black Friday sale features tons of assets up to 50% off. And even daily flash deals up to 95%. The sale runs this year until December 10, 2025, so don't wait any longer. And in this video, I will help you choose which one to pick by sharing my personal favorite. As always, you'll find a link to all of them in the description down below. So without further ado, let's get started. By the way, we are also running a Black Friday special deal on the Valem Patreon. You can get 1 year of the top tier membership for half the price, simply writing the code Black Friday at checkout. This will give you access to 120 plus source code from my tutorials, more than 40 exclusive tutorials, including the latest one for VR shooter, XR AI assistant, custom end tracking and more, plus everything that I will create in 2026. So don't miss that deal, I'm not making a lot of them, and go grab it with the link in the description. Okay, so our first asset is VR Builder Pro. It's a powerful VR SDK that lets you build complete VR interaction without writing a single line of code. You might already be familiar with this asset as I talked about it previously on this channel and I loved it. If you want to try, it's an open source and there is a free version available on their GitHub, but the Pro version features extra tools such as states, data, or the process control menu. Okay, so our next asset is AR Foundation Remote 2.0, an asset that I use all the time when making AR mobile application. This asset fixes a big problem in AR mobile development. When you make an AR mobile app, if you want to test it in the Unity editor, you can use your smartphone. The only way to test is either with a webcam, with all its limitations, or you need to build every single time, which is super annoying. But with this asset, you can now plug your smartphone into your PC, and like magic, it will let you test your app directly in Unity through your phone. Okay, so if you don't live under a rock, you know how AI is changing how we can make XR app. And with pass-through camera available on Quest, we can now feed AI model with real camera input and do computer vision. That's why I believe that our next asset is very important. It's OpenCV for Unity. OpenCV is an AI and computer vision library that features a lot of powerful tools like object detection, face tracking, and AR markers. This package makes it straightforward to use that library in Unity so you can integrate it directly into your VR project. So go grab it, now it's the chance. This year, 2 of the most popular VR assets are again on sale. At this point, maybe a lot of you already have them, but if not, here is your yearly reminder. Let me present to you VR Interaction Framework and Hurricane VR. The VR Interaction Framework is like the Swiss Army knife of VR development. It is super complete, it comes with every interaction you can dream of, at an affordable price, all kind of grabbing, pushing button, shooting gun, all kind of locomotion, maybe the most complete toolkit out there, used by a lot of games and super useful when you are prototyping. On the other hand, Hurricane VR is also very complete, but this one focuses on physics-based interaction. Think game like Bonework or Half-Life Alyx. Hurricane VR gives you that level of physical interaction with minimal effort. You get highly realistic grab mechanics, physics-driven doors, drawers and levers, and even weapons with real physics behavior. The toolkit also includes an impressive inventory system and fun extra like a stabbing system for melee combat. Okay, phew, already we have a lot of cool stuff for XR developers, but there are also assets that aren't meant specially for VR but still have great application. Here are 2 great examples. Rhythm Timeline 2. This asset is a complete framework for making rhythm game in Unity. Built on Unity's timeline system, Rhythm Timeline 2 makes it super easy to create rhythm-based games like Guitar Hero or Ozu, can synchronize event and visuals to music, and use the editor tools to lay out beats and notes effortlessly. But this asset also has a VR support with an example showing how to create a Beat Saber style game. This is of course a niche example, but I'm sure it can help some of you guys. Okay, then we have Final IK, a library to handle inverse kinematics and make your characters feel more alive. But the reason this asset is so important in VR is because of the VR IK component, which lets you set up full body IK in VR in just a few clicks. And this one is really good, automatic setup with proper lengths, wrist twist relaxation and lots more, so go try it. As VR developer, we all know performance is one of the most important topics when making a VR game. The good news is some top optimization tools are also on sale this Black Friday. We have, as you already know, Mesh Baker, which combines multiple mesh and texture into a single one to reduce draw calls. Then we have Amplify Impostors, which turns complex 3D model into impostors, kind of like Billboard but with higher fidelity. And one tool that I actually just discovered is Super Level Optimizer 2. Like Mesh Baker, it combines meshes and texture, but this one does it automatically by scanning your scene. Of course, if we talk about optimization, I also have my own tool, the Auto VR Optimizer, that you can grab on the Unity Asset Store. This one is not on sale, but at 14.99 USD, it's always a good deal. Now, Auto VR Optimizer can scan your setting and project to give you a list of improvements you can make on your VR game. Okay, so that wraps up my top picks for VR-specific asset in this sale. But of course, that's just the tip of the iceberg. There are plenty more amazing Unity assets on sale that can help your project. For example, Microsplat, the best asset if you are working with terrain, Easy Save to save your data easily, Feel, a library to add juiciness to your game, Bakery, which bakes Lightmap like Unity's built-in Lightmapper, but a little bit better, Shapes, a real-time vector graphics library for Unity, great for custom UI motion in VR, and of course, thousands of 3D assets are available. For example, most Synty Polygon packs are on sale, and these guys have probably created assets for every kind of environment. And because they are low poly, they work really well in VR. And there you have it! Those are my favorite Unity Asset Store deals for Black Friday 2025. Did I miss anything? Let me know in the comment section down below. The links to all of these assets are in the description. These are affiliate links, which mean that if you buy them through these links, I get a small commission, which is also a nice way of supporting the channel at no cost for you. Again, don't forget to check out the Valem Patreon 1-year Black Friday deal. Simply select annual membership of the VR Addict tier and enter the code Black Friday if you want to unlock everything on the channel plus everything that I will make in 2026 for half the price. I'm not doing many of these sales, so this is your best opportunity to get it. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye!